Here is our product which we call GSM shutter siren with the 2-number calling. Today I will tell you how it works and how can we operate this. Now you can see the product. There is a plunger and there is some holes. So you have to install into any shutter. It can be installed very easily into any shutter. Okay, so when you fixed into shutter by holding in shutter with the help of drill machine, when you fixed this device, so if anyone down their shutter, it will goes like this with the shutter simultaneously. Okay, so before you do this, you have to start this device with through this key. You can see this key, we have 2 keys, so you have to just on this key like this and take out this key. You have to bring this key with yourself. Okay, now next procedure would be when you put down your shutter, when you close your shop, so this device will also go with the shutter like this. So the plunger would insert into the device. So during this procedure, when any customer down their shutter, it will come out from the shop or go down or warehouse, wherever it is fixed. So obviously the person will close his shutter by locks and he will go. Okay, the next morning when he will come, definitely he will open the locks and then he will open his shutter like this. So when he open the shutter, so this plunger will come out from this device like this. Now you can see this plunger come out, and now you can see that there is a red light coming, which indicates and shows that this system has been activated by the customer after opening the shutter. So it will start siren until you off this siren. It will start the siren. Before starting siren, customer has this key. They can stop this siren before starting. Okay, but any unauthorized person who doesn't know about this device, which is already installed in their shop, so they don't know what to do. They will try to open shutter and they will break the locks. So the moment they try to open shutter, only after the moment they try to open shutter, this plunger will come out and start siren within 15 seconds. Obviously any thief can't take 15 seconds to enter in any shop, because they have to do so many things to like break down the locks and try to with the help of other people, their companion of thieves, try to open shutter. So this shutter siren will start siren. The moment it starts siren, it will also call to the customer. It will also call to the customer's number, 2 number, one by one. So customer will know that something is happening at my office or shop, because he knows that this system is calling on his number. Apart from this system, obviously when he will get the call, so he would be saved this number as like office shutter siren, something like that. So he will automatically knows that why this call is coming. Obviously someone is trying to open my shutter, so that he can call cops, police, or he can come also. So this is how it works. It is tremendous product. It is a product which can stop direct any theft attempt. Nowadays there is no device which can stop theft attempt directly. So it helps people to save their money, to save their products, to save their investment, to save their shops. So it is perfect for safety purpose. So if you want this product, you can call me. You can if you want any dealership, distributorship, you can call me. My number is on the video screen as well as in description. So please contact me for this dealership and distributorship. So you can share my video, you can subscribe my channel, and you can click bell icon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.